Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Spigen Liquid Air case. This is for the Pixel 8 Pro. We'll open this up, show you what the case looks like, and put it on my phone. So let's go ahead, dive right into it. We'll pull this open here. So there's the case there. It's kind of got a textured look to it with little triangles, rubberized case. It's kind of rubber all over the place. Really nice feel to it to give you some grip. All the cutouts for the cameras, and the speakers and charging ports there on the bottom. It's raised here for the buttons on the side. And let's go ahead and put the Pixel 8 Pro in the case. So it goes in quite easily. It's a nice fit on there. It's got nice raised edges here to help protect the screen. And the same thing with the camera here. It's raised up above the lens to help protect that. Really good fit on there. I'm really liking that textured design. The cutouts are all perfect on the bottom for the charging port and the speakers. And the same for the buttons. They work perfectly. It's a really nice lightweight case for the Pixel 8 Pro. I'm really liking that triangle checker plate kind of pattern on there. It looks really sleek. And it says it's made from a TPU for durability, and it's got drop protection via air cushion technology. So a nice little case there. And this is the Spigen Liquid Air for the Pixel 8 Pro.